When playing Fortnite, having the right controller settings can make a big difference in how well you play. So here are some of the best settings to help you improve. First, adjust your sensitivity. This setting controls how quickly your character moves when you move the joystick. A good starting point is to set your look sensitivity to around 6 and your build sensitivity to 1.5. This allows for quick aiming while still giving you control. I'll put it all in the description so you could read it there too. Next, use the edit button wisely. Many players find it helpful to map the edit function as a button that's easy to reach, like the R3 button, pressing the right stick. This makes building and editing faster. Also, consider turning off vibration. While vibrations can feel cool, they make it harder to aim accurately. Lastly, practice. Spend some time in creative mode to get used to your settings. Try different combinations to what feels best for you. By adjusting these settings and practicing regularly, you'll improve your skills and have more fun in Fortnite. Remember, the best settings are the ones that feel right for you. All right? See you later.